This 2008 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is the ultimate off-road machine, expertly crafted for both rugged adventures and everyday driving. With just over 112,000 miles on the chassis and a brand new 3.8-liter engine with under 25,000 miles, which has been replaced by Chrysler under a lifetime warranty, this Jeep is ready to tackle anything with confidence and reliability. This Jeep is truly a turnkey vehicle ready for your next adventure without the need for any additional work. It is garage kept, off-road capable, and features top-tier aftermarket parts from trusted brands like AEV, Rigged Industries, and KMC. Whether you're looking to conquer tough trails or cruise comfortably on the highway, this Rubicon combines the best of both worlds. With cold AC, hot heat, and a smooth ride, it's just as enjoyable for daily driving as it is for weekend explorations. Don't miss the chance to own this extraordinary Jeep that's been built to last and stand out on the road. Contact us today to schedule a test drive.